Hi, you are welcome to this episode of Laboratory Method and Safety Tips. Oftentimes in the laboratory, uh, either as students or research scientists, we are faced with the responsibility of making our own solution at the required concentration for use. Today, I'm faced with the task of preparing 72%, 1 liter 72% sulfuric acid from a stock solution of 98% sulfuric acid. How do we do this? We first of all carry out our calculation to know the quantity of the stock acid solution that will dilute into 1 liter solution to make the required concentration, in this case 72%. Calculations can be done online. There are online calculators and converters that can carry out these calculations for you once you know the molecular weight of acid or any substance that you want to make, and also, as well as the specific gravity. One of the more easier and simple way of doing this in the laboratory, of calculating this in the laboratory, is for you to use the simple formula C1V1 is equals to C2V2, where C1V1 are the concentration and volume of the stock solution that you have or that is available for dilution. And C2V2 is also the concentration and volume that you want to dilute to. In this case, 72% is the concentration you want to dilute to, and the volume required is 1 liter. Having done the calculation, in my own case, I have carried out my calculation and found out that I need 265 ml of deionized water with 735 ml of my sulfuric acid stock solution of 98% to make 1 liter solution of 72% sulfuric acid. So, as it is said, first of all, we need to make sure that we are using a volumetric flask. This is a 1000 ml volumetric flask, which we can use, and it is marked with the 1000 mark on it. So, as it is said that we add acid to water and not water to acid. First of all, what will go in here is the deionized water. So, out of the 265 ml of deionized water, I will add in here 250 ml first of all, and then later, when I add the acid, I can top it up to get to the required mark to make it 1 liter or 1000 ml. So, first of all, we measure 250 ml of water, of deionized water. So, 250 ml of deionized water, first of all, goes into the standard volumetric flask. Then, after that, we measure 735 ml of our stock solution. We make sure that we are wearing our gloves PVC glove preferably as I'm wearing now. And because the acid also gives out fumes, we make sure that our nose is taken far away from it. And the dispensing of the acid into the measuring cylinder should be as slow and as careful as possible because of the corrosive nature of the acid. So we are measuring 735 ml of the acid of 98% sulfuric acid in this case. So we have 735 ml of 98% sulfuric acid in our stock solution to be added to this 250 ml of water that is here already in the volumetric, standard volumetric. So here I like using the sink with, and because the dilution is exothermic in nature, it gives off a lot of heat. So I like to use ice around the flask to cool down the solution as it is going into the volumetric flask. So as usual, we go slowly. Gradually. So make sure your nose is away from the region of the fume, because the acid gives off some fumes as well. Gradually. But as you are dispensing, it gets heated up. But because there is ice in it, it is covered by ice. The flask is covered by ice. The base of the flask is covered by ice, so it will cool down the heat to avoid breaking of the glass. Sometimes you may hear some noise, hissing noise. Because of the corrosive nature of the acid. So now we need to make up the solution to the 1000 ml mark in order to make 1 liter. So you need to add the ionized water to make it up to the 1000 liter mark. So, having done this, you allow it to cool down. You allow it to cool down, then later you can also shake to make it homogeneous. This is how you make, this is a typical example of how you make how you dilute your stock solution into a required concentration. Comments are welcome. Like my video and tell your friends to watch my videos and like them as well. As I've said, comments, useful comments are welcome. Until another episode of laboratory tips and laboratory method and safety tips, I say bye for now. Thank you very much.